Hi, my name is Joel George, and I'm going to make a Cat5 Ethernet cable. I'm going to crimp it all. So first I got the wire, and I'm going to line up the colors as in the wiring diagram. So first we have white and orange stripe. Next we have orange solid. Next we have blue with white stripe. So that is here. Then we have blue solid. Next is green and white stripe. Then we have green solid, brown and white stripe, and then brown solid. So here I have them all lined up together. I'm going to make sure they're all correct. So we have white and orange, solid orange, white and blue, solid blue, white and green, solid green, white and brown, solid brown. Just going to make it so they're all flush with each other. Now I'll put it into a clip. So I put it in. I just need to push it up there. Looks like I got them all in there right now. Pretty much. And next I'm going to take the crimper, put it through in there, squeeze. Basically pushes these gold plates down so it makes contact with the wires. Next, I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'll line up the wires. So we start with white orange stripe, orange solid. Alright, so first we got white and orange stripe, orange solid, white blue stripe, blue solid, white and green stripe, green solid. Then we have brown and white stripe and brown solid. So let me just get them all to be lined up with each other. There we go. So like I said, white orange, orange solid. Oh, whoops. Next is white blue, blue solid. Fix that. White and green stripe, green solid, white and brown, brown solid. I'm going to make sure that they're... this blue keeps switching. Fix that. Okay, good. I'm going to make sure they're flush. Good. I'm ready to put it in the next clip tab. Push it in. Alright, it's in. These gold plates are sticking up over there on the edge. Gonna crimp them down. Now, should be good. These are both